The 1000W folding electric bike stands out as a remarkable addition to the world of personal transportation, combining style, utility, and advanced technology. With a powerful 1000W motor, a robust 48V 20AH removable battery, and an impressive top speed of 30+MPH, this electric bike is designed to cater to both casual riders and serious commuters alike. One of the most notable features of this electric bike is its folding design. This makes it incredibly convenient for those who have limited storage space or need to transport the bike frequently, whether by car, train, or bus. The folding mechanism is intuitive and straightforward, allowing for quick and hassle-free transitions from riding mode to storage mode. When folded, the bike is compact yet sturdy, making it easy to tuck away in a closet or the trunk of a car. Performance-wise, the 1000W motor delivers a punchy acceleration that is not only exhilarating but also practical for navigating urban environments. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling steep inclines, this bike offers a smooth ride with ample torque. The 30+MPH top speed is impressive for an electric bike, providing an option for those who really want to get somewhere quickly, whether it's a daily commute to work or a leisurely ride in the park. The power is complemented by a well-designed gear system that enhances the overall riding experience, allowing for seamless shifting even at high speeds. The 48V 20AH removable battery is another highlight of this bike. With a maximum range of 80 miles on a single charge, it alleviates any anxiety about running out of power mid-ride. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who rely on their electric bike for long-distance commuting or weekend excursions. The battery's removable feature is a game-changer. You can charge it conveniently indoors or take it with you to ensure it's always ready when you are. The battery life indicator on the bike provides a clear visual cue of how much juice is left, ensuring you're never caught off guard. In terms of comfort, the bike is equipped with an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing riders of varying heights to find their optimal riding position. The ergonomics of the design ensure that even during extended rides, you won't experience discomfort or fatigue. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps and uneven terrain, making for a smoother ride even on less than ideal surfaces. This feature is particularly valuable for urban riders who must navigate potholes and rough streets. Safety is also a priority with the 1000W folding electric bike. It comes with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, which is essential when riding at higher speeds. The bike is fitted with bright LED lights, improving visibility during nighttime rides and enhancing overall safety by making you more noticeable to other road users. Reflective elements further increase safety when riding in low-light conditions. One of the unique selling points of this electric bike is its versatility. It caters to a wide array of users, from casual riders and commuters to those who enjoy recreational cycling. The ability to switch between pedal assist and full electric mode means that you can customize your ride according to your needs and preferences. This flexibility allows for a more enjoyable riding experience, whether you want to conserve battery or get a workout while still benefiting from the assistance of the electric motor. Aesthetically, the bike sports a modern and sleek design that appeals to a broad audience. The frame is durable yet lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The color options available allow for personal expression, while the overall design feels contemporary and stylish. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users may find the bike's weight to be on the heavier side when folded, impacting portability for those who need to carry it frequently. Additionally, while the bike is designed for durability, the folding mechanism, if not properly maintained, may become wear-prone over time. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike offers a fantastic blend of power, convenience, and style. Its performance, range, and thoughtful features make it